Okay, now it's time for the confetti in the background. Take your liner brush or your medium round brush, and we're going to go in that light lavender color. And you want to just take 6 to 10 little dashes all around in the background. Then we're going to repeat that same process with the baby blue and some gold. I'm using the tip of my brush and I'm going fairly light on the pressure. Now, if you prefer snowflakes or something different in the background, you can, but I thought this confetti looked really cute. I tried making snowflakes and I ended up liking the confetti better anyway. You want to make your strokes different sizes, very smaller and bigger. And then if you want to add some little white stars to the end, you can fill in some spots with some little tiny stars. Hope you enjoyed painting the snowman with me. So when you're making the stars, you just go on the tip of your brush, make an X, and then just make another X. And there you have it. Our snowman is complete. Make sure you sign it and put the date on it.